In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give delegate access in GoDaddy. To get started, open your GoDaddy account and make sure you're signed in. It's always a good idea to confirm that you're in the correct account before making any account or domain-related changes, especially if you manage more than one website or domain. Once you're inside the account dashboard, look for your profile section. This is usually where you can access account settings and the products connected to your account. From your profile, click on My Products. This area shows the services and domains currently associated with your GoDaddy account, and it's where you'll manage access for a specific domain. After that, click on Domains to view the list of domains available in your account. If you have several domains, take a moment to choose the correct one, since delegate access should be set up carefully to avoid granting access to the wrong asset. Next, click on DNS. This will take you to the DNS management area for the selected domain. From there, go to Settings. The Settings section contains additional management options related to the domain, including permissions and account access features that aren't always visible on the main page. Once you're in Settings, click on Delegate Access. This is the section that allows you to invite another person to help manage parts of your GoDaddy account or domain without handing over your own login details. That's an important security benefit because it lets someone assist you while keeping your account credentials private. Here, click Invite Access. You'll then be asked to enter the person's name and email address. Be sure to type the information carefully so the invitation reaches the right person. After that, select the appropriate access level. This part matters because the access level determines what that person will be able to view or manage. If you're not sure which level to choose, take a moment to read the options before continuing so you can give only the permissions that are actually needed. Once everything looks correct, click Invite. At that point, the invitation will be sent, and the other person will be able to accept it from their side. Before you finish, it's a smart idea to quickly review the details one last time to make sure the right email and permission level were selected. And that's how to give delegate access in GoDaddy. If you follow these steps carefully, you can securely share access without sharing your personal login information.